Insects and small animals.
Firefly.
Firefly.
Fireflies have tiny lights so they can be seen in the dark.
Fireflies have tiny lights so they can be seen in the dark.
Fireflies. Lights.
Dark.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Two beautiful butterflies are flying over the daisies.
Two beautiful butterflies are flying over the daisies. Two. Butterfly.
Fly.
Daisies.
Ant.
Ant.
The two ants communicate as they find each other.
The two ants communicate as they find each other. Two. Ant.
Beetle.
Beetle. The big beetle chases the little ant across the desk.
The big beetle chases the little ant across the desk.
Beetle. Chase. Little ant.
Desk.
Bee.
Bee.
The bee is flying around in the field of pink flowers.
The bee is flying around in the field of pink flowers. Bee.
Fly.
Field.
Pink flowers.
Fly.
Fly. The smell of our delicious food attracts hungry flies.
The smell of our delicious food attracts hungry flies.
Delicious.
Food.
Fly.
Spider.
Spider.
A spider web is very strong and is made from thin webbing.
A spider web is very strong and is made from thin webbing.
Spider. Web. Grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
The green grasshopper leaps onto the blade of grass.
The green grasshopper leaps onto the blade of grass.
Green. Grasshopper.
Leap. Blade of grass. Snail.
Snail.
The slow snail is leaving a slimy trail behind.
The slow snail is leaving a slimy trail behind.
Snail.
Trail. Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Ladybugs have many black spots on their wings.
Ladybugs have many black spots on their wings.
ladybug.
Black.
Spots. Wings.